Hi, everyone. The weather is not very good today. It's cloudy with light rain. Today's motorcycle ride is to go to Johor. We going to Johor today to attend a bro party. Bro bought a new house and invited us to visit his house and enjoy dinner. The invitation time is around 7:30 because it will take about an hour and a half to get there. The traffic lights here are broken and the traffic police are directing the traffic. First, go to the gas station to fill up the gas, and then we will go on the highway. Now I'm full of gas and ready to go to the highway. Let's go, bro. Now in this season, the frequency of rain is very high. Pay special attention when riding. Let's go inside highway. Today's rain is not too heavy, but there will be a lot of water on the ground, which requires a slow ride. During the rainy season, there are also a lot of accidents. Everyone should pay more attention. It's early today. Let's not take the highway, but take the path to take an adventure. Let's go out their highway. There are many scenic spots on the path, and traffic jams are inevitable. The fun of riding is to enjoy riding on some roads you have not walked and explore the unknown. My bro is missing, waiting for his appearance. O is coming. Let's continue riding. The path is not illuminated by streetlights, and it is a little difficult to ride. We will pass several small towns on the way. About Pontian. Pontian is used in the names of two towns in the district, Pontian Besar and Pontian Kechil, of which the latter serves as district capital, flanked by the Straits of Malacca. The about Pontian is used in the names of two towns in the district, Pontian Besar and Pontian Kechil, of which the latter serves as district capital, flanked by the Straits of Malacca. The district is a celebrated seafood haven, boasting both variety and inexpensive pricing. The town of Kukup in particular is dubbed a seafood lover's mecca. Finally arrived at the destination. This area has just opened, and not many people are staying. After the mealtime, we didn't stay long and had a long way to go, so we left early. Now we don't go back to the path to the right, because it's too late. Let's take the road to the left and go up the highway. Sometimes on the highway, you will see some drag racing behaviors in the competition, so be very careful. This is a very dangerous way to ride. We finished walking on the highway, and now we are back to Yongpong. Let's go to the gas station to go to the bathroom, add gas, and have a rest. Today is a relaxing and leisurely ride on a motorcycle. And thank you for watching my channel. We have arrived safely. And after riding for a long time, let's find a place to sit and have tea. Let's go in and have a look. That's good. It's very lively here. Over there, let's just drink tea and have a rest. Everyone, good night and see you next time. There will be more wonderful videos to share with you.